Good day, everybody. Welcome back to an episode of Cooking with Lynn and Kate. Today, we will be cooking chicken barbecue. Okay, like the best chicken barbecue you will ever have. So, you can start with, it could be any part of the chicken. Could be breasts, could be leg, could be a whole chicken, actually. So, what we are using for today are 4 chicken thighs with the legs attached. And what you can see is we've prepared it that we've slashed some cuts on the chicken thighs along the skin side so that they will be able to absorb the marinade that we will be making. So here's the rest of ingredients that you will need. You will need your choice of barbecue sauce. It could be any barbecue sauce that you want. For the marinade, you will need a 3/4 cup. And then for the 3/4 cup, and then for the grilling itself, you will also need 3/4 cup. So that's for later. And then you will need 1/4 cup of vinegar. This is apple cider vinegar. You will need 2 cloves of garlic, right here.
2 cloves. I made it 4 so that
okay, so we made it 4 cloves of garlic. And then 1 tablespoon of salt, right there. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then you will also need 1 teaspoon of paprika. Okay, so now we're going to prepare the marinade because you need to marinate this for an hour before you grill it. What we will do today is we will actually bake it in the oven in lieu of grilling, which you can also do in case it's raining or whatnot. Okay, so for the marinade, you will mix together the garlic and the barbecue sauce and the vinegar. Okay, so you're gonna whisk it together until it is nice and combined. Go. There. That's gonna serve as our marinade. Okay. And then now we will pour it over our chicken. Making sure you get everything. All the chicken. Rub it in if you must. So that you're sure that all the chicken pieces are coated. Then you'll put it in the fridge for about an hour. Alright, so now that an hour has passed, we've removed the chicken from the fridge. We're gonna transfer them to a plate and pat them dry. Just to remove the excess moisture. Because we will, yeah, you can use a paper towel. Nice and absorbent paper towel. And then you're going to discard the rest of the marinade because you will return your chicken to your tray. We've also preheated the oven to 350 degrees so that instead of grilling, it's a good alternative. So we will discard now the marinade. So now we're gonna return the chicken skin side up.
Rub it with those.
Okay.
Mix those together.
And then we're gonna mix together our dried ingredients for our rub. So in a bowl, you wanna mix together your paprika, your onion, your salt, your onion powder, cayenne pepper, and black pepper. Just add the rest of the pepper. that all together. And then rub them onto the chicken. Give each a nice coating of the mixture, all the spices. So that it tastes nice and gets into those cuts. I'm gonna turn them around. There you go. Okay, now we're gonna turn over our chicken, skin side down, so that we will cook it there for 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes, skin side down, and then we will flip it over. Alright, so we'll put it in our oven that has been preheated. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes, skin side down, and then flip the chicken over. 4 minutes, we're going to turn over our chicken so that the skin, it smells already good, so that the skin faces the top. There you go. Good. We're gonna bake this for about 35 minutes, putting on the rest of our barbecue sauce every 6 minutes to make sure that the chicken stays moist. Rub in barbecue sauce. Again, you can choose any barbecue sauce of your favorite barbecue sauce, or you can also make your own. It's already smelling so good. Back in the oven we go. So that's for 35 minutes. The chicken's done. Now we're going to remove from the oven. Ooh, there's the steam. It looks really good. Look at that. There we go. Barbecue chicken, nicely cooked. The juices have seeped into the chicken along with our barbecue sauce. Now if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and please hit that notification bell so that you do not miss a single episode. Please give this video a like as well so that we know and we can cook some more barbecue for you. We will be adding some corn and some pickled vegetables, which we call achara. It's really good, goes well with barbecue. And thank you so much for cooking with us today. We appreciate you. God bless.